My dear friends, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about image and type of image. Firstly, you have to define here what is image. While explaining the image, it is essential to know some common things here. In optics means the branch of physics which deals with the study of light. That is, in optics, an object is treated as point object. Means an object is considered to be made of many points, right? So instead of saying object, it is correct to say point object, right? Point object. From a point object, although many rays start, but for the sake of convenience, two rays are taken. From a point object, two rays are considered to arise from it. Right? How many rays? Two rays. The point where these two rays intersect after reflection or appear to intersect after reflection is the image point. Image point or point image, right? Now see what is image. The rays are the rays arising from a point object intersects after reflection or appear to intersect after reflection is called image point. So instead of saying image, it is correct to say image point, object point or point object. Let a point object here. Suppose this is a plane mirror and it is a point object. Two rays arise from this point A. One incidents on the surface of mirror perpendicularly, and another one incident obliquely at point O. These two rays So here see, the point A dash is the image point, whereas object point A. So here you see, out of many rays arising from a point object, only two rays are considered for the sake of convenience in optics, and these two rays, see here, one incidents on the surface of mirror perpendicular to the mirror surface, and another incidents obliquely. So here it appears to arise from the point A dash, that is here EMA, ray EMA appears to arise from point A dash, and ray OB appears to arise from a point A dash. So in this way they appear to intersect at point A dash. Therefore A dash is the image point. A dash is the image point. Right? Consider another case. Suppose here pole, focus, center of curvature. Suppose a point object is present here, right? Point A. What will happen? Consider one ray parallel to principal axis and another ray, suppose, incident on the mirror surface through focus. What will happen? After reflection, so here point A dash is the image point and A is the object point or point object, right? So this is the case, that is the rays arising from a point intersect after reflection or appear to intersect after reflection at a point and this point of intersection is called image. Image point. Here see, images are of two types. Real image, and second thing, virtual image. Virtual image. First thing, see, real image. If the rays arising from a point object incident at the mirror surface and after reflection intersect at a point after reflection the point of intersection is called real image point. Real image point. Real image of an object is always inverted. Inverted means ulta hona. Means head region downward and tail region upward. Inverted and larger, equal or smaller than object. This image can be taken on screen. Right? Next thing, virtual image. Virtual image. It is also called an apparent image. the rays are two rays, you may write, arising from a point object incident at the mirror surface and after reflection they appear to arise from a point. This point is called virtual image point. Or this image is called virtual image. Virtual image. This image is erect it cannot be taken on screen. This image may be equal to object size or smaller than object. Now note some questions for your homework. Define image point and write its two types. Second question, how many rays are taken from an object point to produce image. Third, define real and virtual image. write three differences between real and virtual image.